Hey home bakers, how you doing? A promise is a promise, and I promised you that I would not only share with you tips, tricks, teach you techniques, give you recipes, but also help you build your home baking business into a financially successful model. So, today I fulfill my first part of the promise. We have with us an IT expert, Ashish Agarwal, who's going to take you step by step through the process of creating a business Facebook page. I'm sure all of you have a Facebook page, but it is not enough to post pictures just on that Facebook page to make your business successful. To do that, today we take the first step, and then in subsequent weeks, I will take you through the whole process along with Ashish's help to make your business a roaring success. So, over to you, Ashish.
Hi home bakers, I'm Ashish and I'll be your mentor for all the online and offline marketing needs on this channel. So let us start at the beginning by establishing a digital presence for your business. In today's video, we'll create a Facebook business page and I'll take you through the process step by step, which will help you boost the home baking business. To start making a Facebook business page, click on the square cluster icon on the right top corner of the page and then click on the option Page from the submenu and it will take you to this page. On the left hand side, you will see a box where you are required to write your page name. Now, this name refers to what you intend to call your business. Two factors that are most important when choosing the name of the business is going to be its uniqueness and its value of recall. The next field asks for a category to be selected. When you click in this box, there will be a list that will drop down consisting of the various categories that Facebook divides all the business pages into. You don't have to restrict yourself to one category and can choose more than one to best describe your business. For example, here I am selecting bakery, wholesale bakery and dessert shop. The next field asks for a brief bio. This is perhaps the most important field in establishing the uniqueness and desirability of what you will offer your customers, as compared to hundreds of other home bakers or bakeries offering similar products. That said, you don't want to make it so long that the customer doesn't even bother reading it. A few sentences covering your unique selling points with the call to action included should be more than enough. Remember that this will appear as a tagline immediately under your page name. Click the Create Page button and let Facebook do its magic. If the business name is already taken, you will see a red exclamation mark like here. So I am going to change the name slightly. Success! We have got a green tick, and as you can see, the name clearly shows that a bakery is what I am promoting. And it is unique as it carries my name. After a few seconds, you should see a message indicating that the page was created successfully and that you can add images to your page. The next information that you have to fill is your contact details. Write the link to your website if you have one, else select India from the list of countries and enter your contact number, email and address. Click the next button to go to the page where Facebook will ask you to upload a profile picture and a cover photo. You can select any picture relevant to baking. The profile picture that you will select will appear in the circle on your page. The cover photo that you select will become the background to the circle. Click on Add Action button to select an option to make it easy for your customers to reach you. Click on Try It. A list of available options on how to engage your customers is shown. For now, select Send WhatsApp message and click Next. Enter your WhatsApp number and click on Send Code. A code will be sent to the entered number for your verification. Enter the code and click on Save. After a few seconds, Facebook will ask you to create a post where you can display the button for people to send you messages. For now, click on Skip as you can create a post later also. Facebook then asks you to create a WhatsApp ad. You can skip this part for now as it is on paid basis. Click on Cancel to return to customize your page and click Next button under the Page Health panel on left hand side. Facebook will now show a message that your WhatsApp account is connected to the page. Click Next to go to next step where Facebook will ask you to invite your friends to view the page. You can skip this part or click on Invite Friends button to send invites to people on your Facebook friends list. Click Next to go to the final step in setting up your page. Turn on marketing and promotional emails about your page if you want Facebook's help for the same, else click Done button. You will now be taken to Manage Page section and are now on your new page that you have just created. Click on Take Tour to read the information about how to switch back to your Facebook personal profile, analyzing content, create ads, etc. And check out your page's feed and interact as Ashish's Bakehouse. Click on Done to finish the tour and return to your Facebook business page. Yay! You have successfully created a Facebook business page. Go ahead and add content to attract customers.
Hey, home bakers, don't forget this is just step 1. The first step in the right direction to make your hobby baking into a proper, roaring, successful, financially stable business. And to do that, you need to subscribe, you need the notification bell so that you can keep coming back for more videos which are going to show you exactly how to use this page and other mediums and other platforms to take your business to the next level. So see you in the next one.